Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here, just do repair and tips, and we've got this iced tea container, and we're just going to find a good spot to put a hole in it, actually, for an airbrush. You want to use this container to off spray your airbrush in between colors, and I think I found a spot right here. I think would be a good area to put the hole. It's going to look something like this. As you see, we cut the little piece out there, and here it is right here. And we're going to put some cloth in there, and we're going to make a bed on the bottom of the container here. So you could take like a dish rag and stuff it in there. So you got the rag in there, or the thing, you just want to take something to push it down like this at the bottom. Okay, you can see that. Push it down as much as you can. Okay, this is where you're going to spray into. So take your airbrush and you'll spray into this like that, and the rag will catch the particles and the off spray when you clean your airbrush. Then if this gets really super wet, you can pull the rag out with a pair of long pliers and wash it, because it is just water based unless you mix it with lacquer. You don't want to do that. And you can also pour it out through the top right here if there's accumulation in the bottom down here of any water. It will take a very long time off spraying into this to get this totally saturated. You have to be doing a lot of spray painting. And all you do is make it out of a iced tea container. I hope this helps you. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little subscription bell. And see me on Patreon. Thank you.